30 hours all the way back to my hometown. And what did I see when I got back to my old house? A blank lot, my old home had just burned down.